All right, here we go. 5.2, adding decimals.
Like you knew.
Oh, thank you. Look at that, guys. Oh, that's too close.
That's crazy.
Yeah, I'm a little crazy. I think next time, this one has like a texture, it like pops up. See it? It's like a sweater. So we're going to do that on all of mine next time because I have one more set before Christmas. But then we're going to do like Christmas colors on it.
Oh, okay.
I know, it's like really cool. I like feel it all the time.
Yeah, it looks like almost like snow.
Yeah, it's like really weird. It just, I don't know, it kind of, the pattern reminds me of like an old like preppy sweater like your dad would wear back in the day.
Yeah.
Alright, so basically the biggest thing with adding decimals, guys, this is really the only thing you got to know because we all know how to add. You need to line up the decimal point. So either you're given the number 7 or the number 0.12, whatever, you have to line up that decimal point. Now if you have a whole number, then you're going to imagine it like 7. So say I have 7 as my whole number and I need a decimal to line it up with the other decimals. You're just going to put a decimal and then like a 00, however many places you're working with. Because a 7 whole number is the same as 7.00. So when adding decimals, line the decimal point up. That is the biggest thing to know. So let's look at an example. So if we have this, right, you know they're given to us like this, right? We have to line them up. So the way we would line, well, write that first and then I'll show you how we'll line it up. We're probably just going to have this first page of notes, that's it. I'm only going to do a couple examples. So 0.06 plus 0.93 plus 0.12. The way we're going to line that up is just like that. So you see, our decimal point is lined up. That one's a fairly easy one, but we were going to get some different looking ones. I'll show you a different one after this. So I want you guys to add that up and tell me what it is in the chat. Once I see an answer in there, we'll see if you're right. Okay, so 1.11. All right, now let's look at something like this. We got that whole number I was talking to you about. So 18 plus 0.14. We're going to line that up like this. Remember I said for that whole number, just add a decimal point and add, for this one you'd add 2 zeros because you have 2 places after this decimal point, right? So if there was 3 numbers after that, just add another 0, okay? So add that up, put it in the chat when you have the answer. Remember, we're just adding, we're not doing subtraction, that'll be next week. So just adding this week. This should take us not very long to get this assignment done.
Yes.
And it's in varsity again, guys, so you're just picking your answers. You're not having to worry about taking a picture or writing it down or anything. So we get 18.14. I think you guys are right. Whoa. That's what I get for writing in the wrong direction. For my left-handedness. My pen's dying, darn it. Okay. So 18.4, yes. And if you guys submit an answer and put 18, like 1814, it is wrong. You have to have the decimal point. It's a completely different answer if you don't have the decimal point. Okay, that's literally all I got because we are adding. You're going to see ones that are going to line up perfectly. You're going to see ones where you're going to have to add that decimal and add some zeros to line it up. So, do we all have this written down? Do I need to wait before I remove it? Tell me if I need to wait. No? No waits yet? Okay. So, let me minimize this. Alright. Boom. Stop.